You asked for it in the last video, so here it is. AI agents versus chatbots versus automation. Three terms that people use interchangeably, but they are completely different things. And picking the wrong one for the job is one of the most expensive mistakes you can make. You either end up overbuilding something simple or underbuilding something complex. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which one to use for any given task. Let us get into it. Before we compare them, let us make sure we are on the same page. Chatbot is a conversational interface. You type something, it responds. It handles one exchange at a time. Think customer support chat widgets, fake queue bots, or asking a question to a virtual assistant. And automation is a predefined workflow. If this happens, do that. It follows the same steps every single time. Think email filters, scheduled reports, or data syncing between apps. An AI agent is a goal-driven system that decides what to do, uses tools, and adapts as it works. It does not follow a fixed script. It evaluates plans and executes. Same input, three very different capabilities. Let us test all three with real scenarios. First up, customer support. A customer emails you asking about their order status. With a chatbot, you build a FAQ interface. Customer types "where is my order" and the bot responds with a generic tracking link. Fast but limited. If the customer follows up with something unexpected, the bot breaks. With automation, you set up a rule. When a new email arrives with the word order in it, automatically pull the tracking number and send a template response. Reliable but rigid, it handles one specific pattern. With an agent, you give it a goal, resolve customer support requests. The agent reads the email, determines the intent, looks up the order, checks the shipping status, drafts a personalized response, and sends it. The chatbot answers. The automation routes. The agent resolves. Next scenario, you want to create content for your business consistently. With a chatbot, you open it up and say, write me a blog post about AI trends. It gives you a draft, you copy it, edit it, format it, find images, and publish it yourself. The chatbot did one step, you did the rest. With automation, you set up a scheduled workflow. Every Monday, pull trending topics, generate a draft using a template, and save it to a shared folder. Consistent, but the output is formulaic. Same structure every time. With an agent, you give it a goal, produce one piece of content per week on AI trends. Uh, the agent researches current trends, analyzes what competitors published, identifies gaps, writes an original draft, formats it, and queues it for publishing. The chatbot assists, the automation repeats, the agent produces. Third scenario, you need a weekly report on your business metrics. With the chatbot, you ask what were our sales this week. It can answer if it has access to the data, but you have to ask every question individually. And it does not know what you care about unless you tell it every time. With automation, you set up a scheduled report every Friday, pull data from your dashboard, format it into a PDF, and email to the team. Reliable, predictable, zero effort once built. But if something unusual happens, it will not flag it. With an agent, you give it a goal, monitor business metrics and surface insights. It pulls the data, compares it to previous weeks, identifies anomalies, highlights trends, and creates a summary with recommendations. The chatbot reports, the automation delivers, the agent analyzes. So how do you decide which one to use? Here's the framework. Use a chatbot when the task is conversational, single, turn, and low complexity. FAQ pages, simple lookups, basic customer interaction. Chatbots are fast to build and easy to maintain. Use automation when the task is repetitive, predictable, and rule-based. Data syncing, scheduled emails, file organization, notification routing. Automations are reliable and cheap to run. Use an agent when the task is multi-step, requires judgment, and the conditions can change. Research, analysis, complex workflows, and anything where the right next step depends on what just happened. Match the tool to the complexity of the task. Here are the three biggest mistakes I see. Mistake 1, building an agent when automation would work. If the task follows the same steps every time, you do not need intelligence. You need a workflow. Mistake 2, expecting a chatbot to replace an agent. A chatbot cannot plan, use tools, or handle multi-step tasks. If you need more than one turn to get the job done, a chatbot is not enough. Mistake 3, not combining them. The best systems use all three together. A chatbot for the interface, automation for the repetitive parts, and an agent for the complex decisions. They are not competing technologies, they are layers. Let us recap. Chatbots respond to questions, best for simple conversational tasks. Automations follow rules, best for repetitive, predictable workflows. Agents make decisions, best for complex, multi-step work that requires judgment. The right choice depends on one question. Does this task require decision making? If no, automate it. If yes, build an agent. If you just need a conversation, use a chatbot. If this cleared things up, hit like and subscribe. I am breaking down AI concepts every week in plain English. Next video, I am going to show you how to actually build your first AI agent step by step. No code required. Make sure you are subscribed so you do not miss that. See you in the next one.